So I'm going to quickly put together uh, a successful program for your first homework assignment, so you can kind of compare what yours might look like and what another successful one might look like. So first off, I'm going to make sure to declare two double integers. You can actually declare just plain ints for this specific assignment, but I would highly advise that you use doubles. That way, somebody could input like say 4.5, and it would still be a successfully working program. We're going to do number 1 and number 2. So first thing that the program has to do, one second, oh sorry, my clock is going off again, is to see out something saying please input first number. And you can have it say whatever you want. This isn't even actually necessary if you know what the program does, but it's just kind of nice in terms of the usability of your program for others' use, not just your own. So then we're going to end the line right there. That's not vital, but it makes it look nicer. And you're going to cin, because you're going to be typing a number in, and it is going to be storing it as number 1. And see up here, I just noticed I've already made a mistake. This has to be like this. And this has to be like this. So that's number 1. And this has to be capitalized. I'm noticing a lot of mistakes I'm making as I go, but if you catch them before you compile, nobody's the wiser. So then you can prompt again if you want. You don't really have to, but you can have it say like, please enter, reason to input a second number. And the line there. And this one is going to be cin number 2. So now we have a couple options. We can do the math before we put it into the cout, or we can do the math inside of the cout. I'm going to go ahead and do the math inside of the cout, so it's a little bit less confusing. So we're going to cout number 1 plus number 2. And let's see if this compiles. So, yes, it does. Please input first number. I don't know. Let's go ahead and put 50. Input second number, 27, 77. That wasn't really a sample input, but that's just an example. And if you want to change it for other operations, all you have to do is change this symbol right here. So you can change it to a multiplication, subtraction, and division. And so if your program looks anything like this, you are on the right track, you know what you're doing, and you are ready to move on to the next tutorial.